Hello, welcome to my channel Elegant Diva, and this is Divya, the proud finalist of Face of Mumbai. And being a finalist, I got an opportunity to get my skincare done, and I got an opportunity to make this beautiful vlog for you. I would like you all to stay tuned to watch the vlog out, and you are really going to enjoy this. The skin clinic, and you can see it's a nice decoration also there. In Valentine's Day you want to have a flawless skin. So what? Getting a skincare done is very essential. It's really must to know about your skin and your skin type and what you should do for your skin, what is good for your skin, what is bad for your skin.
Hello, as I said, I have reached to the Enhanced Skincare Clinic. So let me just get in quickly and I'll be removing my mask. So I can remove my mask and here I am. So I have reached the skincare center. They have a nice beautiful decoration for I think Valentine's, and it's a good opportunity to have a flawless skin on the eve of Valentine's. So I hope I'll have a good session here. Okay, this time for my consultation and I need to rush now.
They basically provide facial tightening, lifting and deep wrinkle reduction, body tightening and contouring, acne and acne scar reduction, fractional skin resurfacing are all a lot of what would I say? I would say skin jargons which we are not aware of, but there is a lot of things our skin faces each day because we go out in the sunny day, and the summer is yet to arrive and your skin might get damaged, and we need to take care of our skin, and this is the best time and best place to know your skin, get a glowing and flawless skin. So I quickly met my doctor to understand my skin and the key to and flawless skin. So let's get into the clinic and let's see what doctor has to say.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing good. Good to see you.
Yeah, same here, dear. So welcome to Face of Mumbai.
Yes. So, and it's a proud moment to be at your clinic as a finalist, to have a consultation done with you, and I'm looking forward to have like an enhanced and flawless skin. Your tag already says enhanced, so let me see how my consultation goes with Dr. Neetu.
So let's start with your consultation, dear.
Yes, we will have the consultation first, and then I'll take you to the treatment room, so where you can see how finally the skin is getting cared and how it's getting enhanced. So see you then. I was suggested to just get a peel off for treating my skin, which was I think damaged because of the sun rays and for not taking too good care of my skin, I can say.
So Divya, since your skin, you have a good skin except few tiny eruptions. Which you have on your cheeks, I'm selecting a peel which will help you for rejuvenation, which will help you for your tiny eruptions also. But as I said, for very good result you need 3 to 4 sittings at 2 weekly interval. So here we start with the first session.
Honestly, I will tell you all that we get scared of going to a doctor. We always prefer going to a beauty parlor and then we get our massages done, facial done, but we always forget that those things are actually temporary, and if we really want to care for your skin, we need to consult the doctor because they really are the ones who understand your skin much better, and they will always suggest you something good for your skin which you can help you in short run and also in longer run, like they will help you how to take care of your skin. And I felt my session was definitely very amazing and very wonderful because I got to know a few things about my skin which I didn't know, like why my under eye, I thought that's a dark circles which I am getting because of like not sleeping well, but that's not always about sleeping well, but it's also about what we eat, how we eat, when we eat, and what is missing in our nutrition and diet, and this all can be understood by a doctor. So it's very, very important to get a doctor. I really felt rejuvenated, pampered at their clinic, and it was really, really, really an amazing and soothing experience for me.
So Divya, now you're done. You fresh and rejuvenated. I can show your face also. I think it's without the makeup, and you can still see my skin flawless and glowing. And thanks to the doctor.
That's nice. I can see the glow on your face, Divya. But again, to maintain this is very important that you repeat the sessions after 2 or 3 weeks. Second thing, drink lots of water. Post peel care is very important. No face wash the same. Wash it with plain water, and do not apply any night cream. The other creams you can start from tomorrow. The sunscreen is a must. Very, 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 very important part of your skincare routine. Do not forget to step out without applying the sunscreen. This is my first and very important instruction for all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Take care. See you all on the.
And after the consultation, the best part was to get the goodie bag. In the goodie bag, Skin Hands Clinic came up with a very nice face wash. I also got I think it was a soap which is by the brand Glymax. I also got an under eye cream, and I also got a night cream which is really for intensive hydration of the skin, and this is actually going to help me a lot during my pageant. So I hope that you all will also get benefited by watching this video and getting an insight of what actually is missing in your skin diet. Like, you need to eat a lot of vitamin E, and which you get from almonds, which you get from walnut. You also need to eat a substantial amount of fruit in your diet, and that's actually the key for a glowing skin, isn't it? So I hope this vlog was very helpful to you all, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll come up with my next video. And yes, special thanks to my co-contestant Sarita, who had shot this entire video. Thank you.